Did you know that making simple changes in your snack choices can lead to noticeable improvements in your health? Welcome to the enlightening world of healthy snack swaps. Often we find ourselves reaching for that bag of chips or a chocolate bar when that mid-afternoon hunger strikes. But what if we told you that you could satiate that hunger and fuel your body and mind in a healthier way? Yes, you heard right. The power of healthy snack swaps lies in their ability to not just satisfy your cravings, but also to provide your body with the nutrients it needs. And the best part? These swaps are so delicious that you won't even miss the junk food. But it's not just about weight loss. Healthy eating can lead to increased energy levels, improved mood, and overall well-being. In the book of Proverbs it said, "She is more precious than rubies, nothing you desire can compare with her. Long life is in her right hand, in her left hand are riches and honor." Just like wisdom, the benefits of a balanced diet are manifold and enduring. These small changes to your diet can make a big difference. Imagine feeling more energetic, lighter, and happier, just by making smarter snack choices. It's like finding a treasure trove of health benefits in your pantry. Now, let's take a moment to reminisce. I remember as a child, my grandmother would always have a bowl of fresh fruit on the table. Back then I would have preferred a candy bar. But now I realize the wisdom in her choice. Fresh fruits, full of natural sugars and fiber, are a far healthier snack than any processed treat. So, are you ready to discover some smart snack swaps that can fuel your body and mind? Let's dive in! Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, a single snack swap. Ever wondered why some snacks make you feel sluggish while others give you an energy boost? Let's delve into the science behind it. When we consume food, it's not just about filling our bellies. It's about fueling our bodies. Different types of food have different impacts on our body, and it all boils down to their nutritional composition. Take sugar, for instance. It's quickly absorbed by our bodies, resulting in a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This gives us an immediate burst of energy, but what goes up must come down. As our bodies work to bring blood sugar levels back to normal, we experience a sugar crash that leaves us feeling sluggish and tired. On the other hand, fats are a more consistent source of energy. They take longer to break down, providing a steady release of energy over time. However, not all fats are created equal. Unsaturated fats found in foods like avocados and nuts are heart-healthy, while saturated fats found in foods like butter and meat can increase cholesterol levels if consumed in excess. Proteins are the building blocks of our bodies. They're essential for repairing and building tissues, but they also play a role in satiety. Consuming protein can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of reaching for an unhealthy snack later on. Now, let's talk about energy density. It's a concept that refers to the amount of energy or calories in a certain weight of food. Foods with high energy density, such as fast food and candy, pack a lot of calories into a small package. Conversely, foods with low energy density, like fruits and vegetables, provide fewer calories but more volume, which can help keep you satisfied without overloading on calories. And why do we want to focus on nutrient-dense foods? These are foods that are high in nutrients, but relatively low in calories. They give us the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients our bodies need to function at their best, without the extra baggage of unnecessary calories and unhealthy additives. So, the next time you reach for a snack, think about what it's really giving you. Is it a quick sugar rush that'll leave you crashing, or is it sustained energy that'll keep you going? Now that we understand the science, let's move on to some healthy snack swaps you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. First on our list of healthy snack swaps is trading your regular potato chips for air-popped popcorn. Now you might be wondering, how can popcorn be healthier than potato chips? Well, let's dissect the science behind this swap. Popcorn is a whole grain, and like all whole grains, it's loaded with benefits. It's high in dietary fiber. That's the stuff that keeps our digestive system happy and humming along. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition pointed out that people who eat popcorn regularly may get more than twice the amount of fiber as those who don't. But it's not just the fiber, it's also about the calorie count. When you air pop your popcorn, you're ditching the heavy oils and fats that come with your standard bag of potato chips. According to the USDA, a 3-cup serving of air-popped popcorn has only about 93 calories, compared to the hefty 152 calories in your average serving of potato chips. That's a swap that your waistline will thank you for. Beyond fiber and calories, popcorn also boasts a lower energy density than potato chips. Energy density is the number of calories in a specific amount of food. Foods with lower energy densities like popcorn can help you feel full without piling on the calories. This was highlighted in a study in the Journal of the American Dietetic Association, where researchers found that participants who ate low-energy density meals felt more satisfied but consumed fewer calories. And let's not forget about popcorn's antioxidant properties. Popcorn is rich in polyphenols, the same type of antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables. These little guys are excellent for our health, protecting our cells from damage by harmful free radicals. So the next time you're reaching for that bag of potato chips, remember the humble popcorn. Not only is popcorn delicious, but it's also a healthier alternative that will keep you feeling satisfied. With popcorn, you're not just choosing a snack, you're choosing health, satisfaction, and a little bit of science in each bite. Next up, let's swap out those sugary fruit juices for whole fruits instead. Why, you might ask? Well, it turns out that whole fruits pack a much healthier punch than their juice counterparts. You see, when you juice a fruit, you're squeezing out the water and most of the vitamins but leaving behind the fiber and some other essential nutrients. That's like going to a party and only mingling with half the guests. You're missing out on a whole lot of fun. Research has shown that fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy body. It aids digestion, helps control blood sugar levels, and can even lower cholesterol levels. Now that's a party we all want to be a part of, but that's not all. Whole fruits come with an added bonus: lower sugar content. Yes, you heard it right. When you juice a fruit, you're concentrating its sugars, making it much easier to consume in large quantities. It's like having a sugar party in your body, and trust me, that's one party your body could do without. In the book of Genesis, it's written, "And God said, Behold, I have given you every herb-bearing seed, which is upon the face of all the earth, and every tree, in which is the fruit of a tree-yielding seed. To you, it shall be for meat." Now, I'm not a biblical scholar, but I think we can all agree that God was onto something here. So, the next time you reach for that juice carton, think twice. Instead, why not grab an apple, an orange, or a handful of berries? Your body will thank you for it. And remember, just like my grandma used to tell me, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But in my case, it was more like, an apple a day keeps the dentist away. You see, when I was a kid, I had an insatiable sweet tooth, and my grandma, bless her soul, used to trick me into eating apples instead of candies. And guess what? It worked. Who knew that swapping juice for whole fruit could be so beneficial for your health? How about trading in your regular ice cream for a frozen banana-based dessert? Now there's a thought that could revolutionize your snack world. Bananas, those humble, curvaceous fruits, are not just a tasty treat, but a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be unleashed. Bananas are chock full of potassium, an essential mineral that keeps your heart pumping and your muscles flexing. But that's not all. This yellow wonder also packs a punch of vitamin C, that all-star antioxidant which is known for boosting your immune system and giving your skin that healthy glow. Now you might be thinking, sure, bananas are great, but can they really replace my beloved ice cream? Well, science says, yes they can. A study published in the Nutrition Journal found that bananas can indeed satisfy your sweet tooth while providing essential nutrients, making them a perfect swap for ice cream. The secret lies in freezing them. When you freeze a banana, it takes on a creamy texture that's reminiscent of ice cream. You can enjoy it plain or blend it with other fruits for a deliciously healthy smoothie. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon or a splash of vanilla extract, and you've got yourself a dessert that's not only mouth-wateringly good, but also good for you. But here's the cherry on top. Bananas are also a great source of dietary fiber. Fiber is the unsung hero of digestion, helping keep things moving smoothly, if you catch my drift. Plus, it can help you feel full longer, which is a big win if you're watching your weight. And if you're still not convinced, consider this. In the book of Genesis, it says that God gave us every seed-bearing plant on the face of the whole earth and every tree that has fruit with seed in it. They will be yours for food. Now, I'm no theologian, but that sounds like a divine endorsement of bananas to me. So next time you're craving something sweet, reach for a banana-based dessert instead. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. By making these simple snack swaps, you're taking a big step towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, it's not just about weight loss, it's about fueling your body and mind with the nutrients they need to function at their best. We've explored the power behind healthy snack swaps, delved into the science of why these swaps work, and given you 5 specific, scientifically backed examples to try. From swapping out your regular chips for a handful of nuts to enjoying a piece of dark chocolate instead of a sugar-laden candy bar, these small changes can make a big difference. It's important to note that these swaps aren't just about avoiding certain foods, they're about embracing a whole new way of eating. As the saying goes, man does not live by bread alone, and that's never been truer than when it comes to healthy eating. We need a variety of nutrients to thrive, and these snack swaps are a great way to ensure you're getting a balance of what your body needs. And let's not forget the personal touch. I keep my soda cravings controlled by swapping sparkling water, like LaCroix, for Dr. Pepper. It's proof that these swaps can be life-changing. Now it's your turn. Start small, try one swap at a time, and before you know it, you'll be feeling better, looking better, and living better. Don't forget, this is a journey, not a destination. So take it one snack at a time. Your body and mind will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear about your own healthy snack swaps. Remember, the smallest step in the right direction can turn out to be the biggest step of your life. So take that step today. Until next time, peace and healthy swaps to you.